Hey everybody, so we're back at Halloween Horror Nights.
Want to check out this year's tribute store?
It's a different one this one. They put it into the arcade and the Mummy gift shop. So,
Let's see how it is.
dude, I'm excited. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Inside the Palace Theater arcade, the occult artifacts of the world exhibit. This is amazing.
Babe, that's cool.
I'm just so blown away by this. So.
Just lay it down. Why is there a huge line of people?
I'm just blown away by how well they did this. Universal, I don't know how you do this, but this is amazing, and how you did this in such limited space.
So there you guys have it. That was the tribute store. Really dark in there. I did it short too, but people everywhere.
I'm surprised how well Universal pulled it out by putting that in the Mummy, the gift shop for the Sahara Traders gift shop, and also put it in the arcade. Dude, it is windy right now.
They pulled it off though. I was like,
Stay
I didn't know if they were going to do it, but they did.
Stay guys. It's really windy. Like, comment, and subscribe.
It's suggest.
Love you guys. See you guys next time.
Praise the Lord, go spooky season, baby.